single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. To my returning subscribers, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell beside it so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. So today we are going to be doing a DIY kicking ponytail. We are using this drawstring ponytail hair net. So this is the hair that I will be using. I got this hand ponytail net from AliExpress. In case you can't find it where you live, just order it on AliExpress. I think it's €3 for 5. So it also came with one comb that you can use to secure the ponytail to your hair. So it came with that also. So I'm just going to crochet the extension to the net, just the way you are seeing me doing it. If you are a beginner, just be gentle. You can see me, I'm also gentle because this is my first time doing it. So I'm going to shout out loveth. She's the one that make this ponytail, kicking ponytail. So I saw it on her channel, so I said let me try if I can also make it. Thank God it came out so well. So I'm going to leave a video link on my description box below, so you can also go and check her out. She's nice. She's beautiful, she's creative also. So I will leave a link on the description box below for you guys to check her out. So I'm just going to crochet everything to the net, just the way you are seeing it. This is just the space that I leave. Just going to show you guys the space in between. So guys, I'm done crocheting the hair to the ponytail net. So you can see how full and beautiful this is. You can wear it like this if you want to, but we are going for a kinky look. So I'm just going to show you how we are going to get that kinky ponytail. Okay, so I've already sectioned my hair in 4 sections. The extension in 1st section, so I'm just going to braid the extension just like so. If you can't braid, just look and learn. Nobody is perfect, so when you learn, you will know. So I'm just going to braid. Each session I braid about 4 to 6, depends. 4 to 6 depends on much extension I have in the session. Before I will braid the hair, first of all comb so that there will be no tangle in the extension. Then I will just braid all the way down. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. Subscribers, share this video to your friends, your family. Tell a friend to watch this video to save money. So if you have not seen Loveth speak her own version of this video, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can go and check her out. So guys, I'm done braiding the whole hair. So this is how they are looking like. You can see. You can also wear it like this. This is just 3 in 1. You can also just wear your ponytail like this. If you wish to wear it like this, you can also rock it like this. So I just put it in hot water. So guys, time for me to unravel the hair. This is how it's looking like. When you unravel your braid, you are going to get the kinky looking ponytail. You can separate it the way you want, anyhow you want it to be. You can separate it more or less, depends on your choice. So this is just the way they are looking like. When you separate it, it's going to look like this. Just separate, be careful when you are separating it. So guys, when you are done, this is how it's going to look like. Just fluffy and caking like this. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to put it on. I've already laid my hair with Eco Styling gel. So I don't want this video to be that long. That's why I did not film that part. So this is how the hair is looking like, so beautiful and nice. So with that comb, I'm going to use it to secure it to my hair, and every other thing just go the way they want to go. So guys, this is the final look. This is how the ponytail turned out to be. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, share. Don't forget to check out Loveth's channel. Also watch her own video of this ponytail tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. I'm so happy I made it. Oh Jesus, thank you God. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Au revoir. Tschüss.